Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for supporting us. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do click on the subscribe button now and also turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our videos. You guys will be shocked to see these 7 less explored places in Maharashtra because they are so beautiful. Khas Plateau. The Khas Plateau is also known as the Khas Patthar. It is situated near Satara city in Maharashtra. It falls under the Sahyadri subcluster of the Western Ghats, and did you guys know that it became a part of the UNESCO World Natural Heritage Site in 2012? It is a biodiversity hotspot known for various types of seasonal wildflowers bloom and numerous species of endemic butterflies annually in the months of August and September. Amboli Waterfall. Amboli is the last hill station before the coastal highlands of Goa. It lies in the Sahyadri Hills of Western India, one of world's eco hotspot, and it abounds in unusual flora and fauna. Bhigwan. Bhigwan is a town on the border of the Ahmednagar, Pune and Solapur districts in Maharashtra. It is famous for bird watching, especially flamingo and wildlife photography. Flamingo birds love winter season and they need less water for fishing. The best time to visit Bhigwan is between the months of December and March. Chikaldhara is a hill station in Amravati district of Maharashtra. Featured in the epic of Mahabharata, this is the place where Bhima killed the villainous Kichaka in Herculean bout and then threw him into the valley. It thus came to be known as Kichakadhara. Chikaldhara is its corruption. The best months to visit are from October to June. Lonar Lake. Lonar Lake is also known as Lonar Crater and is a notified National Geoheritage Monument. It is located in Buldana district of Maharashtra. It was created by an asteroid collision with the Earth impact. It is one of the 4 known hypervelocity impact craters in basaltic rock anywhere on Earth. The other 3 basaltic impact structures are in southern Brazil. Recently, this lake has changed its color to pink due to some scientific reason. Mailghat. The best views. The winters are cold with night temperature dropping below 5 degrees. The summers are good for animal sightings. Tarkar Lake. Tarkar Lake is known for its white sand beaches, scuba diving and water sports and is known to be one of the most picturesque beaches in the entire Konkan region. The clear blue water and the beautiful suru or kasurina trees are a breathtaking scene. Tarkarli also offers its backwaters of the Karli river that can only be found in the entire of Maharashtra. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please do like and share this video, subscribe to our channel and comment below if you think we should start vlogging.